the problem of this world is the issue of the mind that the world has. That is why when Jesus came, he said, change your mind. What was he talking about? He was talking about a mind that men have built on over the thousands of years. And that mind is the mind that has been programmed and set up by the devil. That is why in the Garden of Eden over 6,000 years ago, when the devil appeared in the garden, what he did, he knew exactly what he was doing. What did he do? He attacked the mind of man, twisted the mind, and took over the mind. So at the end of the day, if he took over your mind, what does it mean? It means that he has taken control of your mind, and your mind no more behaves as your mind independently, but your mind behaves according to his influence, which means you no more have your mind. So in other words, you have a new mind. That is the mind the devil has given you, not the mind God gave you independently. So what is that mind? That mind you have now is the mind of slavery. The mind that has been put in to successfully make you a slave. That is what all the 7.5 billion people are living under. We are living under serious slavery to the benefit of the devil, not to the benefit of ourselves, but to the benefit of the devil and his associates. Who are his associates? Some people have offered themselves to be used by the devil. They are the ones that fit in the system he has created. The original system God created was a system of righteousness, but the newly created system is a system of unrighteousness. That is the mind of the devil. That is why Jesus concluded by summary and said, the devil has come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. So what's he going to do? How is he going to do that? He can only do that when he takes over your mind and controls your mind, and then establishes a new system different from the system God has initially or originally created, so that he can manipulate you. That is what is happening to the world today. That's why I pray that you will have a change, or you will begin to change, or you will start to change your mind. Because the mind that is running in this world is a dangerous and a polluted mind. Very terrible mind. That's the mind that is running in the hospitals, in the medical systems, in our health departments, in politics, in business, in trade, in religion, in everything that is connected with human beings and creation. It is that same system. That's what God or Jesus called it, the world. The world simply means a system. In other words, the influence that controls, that is what is called the world, which is coming from the Greek word cosmos. So this is just to give you a basic outlook of what the world is like. That is why God said, for he loved this world so much. That's why he sent his only begotten son. What does he mean by that? The system he loves, but the system has been twisted. So his sending his son is to come and open our eyes, teach us, deliver us, so that we can fix the system which God loves. And that is the mission of Christ, and that is the mission of those who believe and follow Christ. You are supposed to be disciples, not members of any religious setup, such as Christianity or any other thing. You are supposed to be disciples, means you are supposed to be trained and prepared to fulfill a mission, not to go about congregating and raising offerings and tithes and praying and preaching. No, 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 no. The whole concept of what is going on in the religious circles is completely out of course, totally wrong. We don't even understand the word church, which came from the word ecclesia, the Greek source, which simply means a senate or a parliament. Of course, this has nothing to do with what is going on in the current church. The religious church is totally off course. That's not a parliament. You can call it a senate. No. But that is exactly what it's supposed to be. I know I have given you a shock, and that is a true shock. Wherever you are, reconsider your state of mind, reconsider the concept of what you are depending on, because it won't help you. God bless you.
Thank you for viewing this video. If you wish to contact us, please do so on the following numbers: 055 459 8076 or 050 302 66871. Stay blessed.